Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Pamasagali Channel, a faith healer, also matter. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of March 2025 for the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and i-notification bell for more videos update kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang hindi nag-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig nag-uumapang na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, ito na. Tunghayin at bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me an information. So this is a judgment. Oh, this is a wake-up call or divine intervention. Now, may mga paalala, may mga synchronicities na kailangan mag-pay attention ka. What is additional messages? There's a Five of Pentacles. Pinapaalalahanan ka na mag-ingat-ingat ka sa mga kagastusan. No, maghinay-hinay. What is the additional messages? And there's something, the Nine of Wands. Now, there's something near to success. Na may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na may sasakatuparan. Unti-unti mo na itong mapagtatagumpayan. Additional messages? So, represent what? With the word cards. So, there's something trouble. Success coming in for you. Maaaring maging matagumpay ka. Makatanggap ka ng mga accomplishment. And again, success. There's something, a victory is yours. And there's a Four of Swords. No? There's something, intuitions, no? Kumbaga, mas lalong lalakas ang iyong pakiramdam, no? Even your inner voice, no? Unti-unti mo makikita yung mga pagiging possibilities. Maging mahinahon ka lang at huwag ka madalos-dalos. At sinasabi na Four of Swords dito, kailangan mo ipahinga yung sarili mo. And because this is something Page of Cups. So see, I told you, there's something in intuition and inner voice. Lagi ka makikinig sa gut feeling mo. With a judgment, represent what? There's a Two of Cups in a partnership. Mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-ugnayan, sa pakikipag-usap, pakikipag-socialize, pakikipag-collaborate, no? Na hindi nyo po lubos na kilala. What is the Five of Pentacles? Represent what? There's something, the Moon card, a truth reveal. No? May mga bagay din na matutupad mo na dito. No? May mga bagay na ibibigay na sa'yo, ipapakita sa'yo na makakaalis ka na sa financial crisis, no? Magkakaroon ka ng financial freedom dito. And there's the Nine of Wands represent with the Five of Wands. Complication. Competitors, no? Napakalapit mo na para maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo. Kaya kailangan huwag ka magpapatinag. No? Huwag ka magpapadala ng iyong emosyon. No, maraming mga taong maghihila sa ipababa. No, maraming taong makikipagkumpetensya sa iyo, makikipag-unan sa iyo. Kailangan magpatuloy ka lang. What is the word card? Represent with the Nine of Wands. See, there's something slowly but surely. Maging mahinahon, maging mabagal, or wag kang padalos-dalos sa mga desisyon mo, lagi mo pag-iisipan. What is the Four of Swords? Represent what? There's a Page of Swords. No, there's something, get more information, being curiosity. Kailangan matanong ka, mabusisi ka, no? Mas palawakin mo tong intuitions mo. Kumbaga, kung may gut feeling ka, alamin mo yon. There's a Page of Cups, represent what? There's a Death card for an ending and a new beginning. Now, meron ka ditong bagay na, o tanong sa sarili mo kung ano yung nangyayari dito with the Death card. Meron ditong namatay na kamag-anak mo or namatay na mahal mo sa buhay, na tama ka ng hinala, no? Kung ano yung nangyari sa kanya. What is the judgment? Request the Two of Cups. Represent with the Queen of Swords. This is a bigger picture. Unti-unti mo na makikita yung mga possibilities, yung kalalabasan ng eksena, no? Unti-unti mo na makikita, at unti-unti mo nang malalaman, no? Kung ano yung hidden agenda. And there's a Five of Pentacles, because the Moon card, represent with a high five for lesson learned. Matuto ka na, no? How to manage your money wisely, ganon. Matuto ka ng alisin yung bisyo, alisin yung luho, matuto ka na kung paano mo kontrolin yung finances mo. What is the Nine of Wands? Because the Five of Wands referencing with the 8 of Wands. So, fast communication and fast movement. There's a lot of messages, phone call ka matatanggap. Mag-iingat ka lang, no, with the negative energy dito na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng complication. There's a 5 of Wands with a complication. Mag-ingat ka for the negativities. And mag-ingat ka sa mga taong, kumbaga, kakarangin, no? Para hindi mo matupad yung mga pangarap mo. Kumbaga, meron dito napakalapit mo na eh. Huwag ka lang magpapa-distract, huwag ka magpapa-control. What is additional messages with the word card? And of course, the 9 of Wands. Reference with the strength card. Confident. Lakasan mo ang loob mo, no? Confident is your key to success. Magiging matagumpay ka dito. Kailangan mo lang talaga maging mahinahon. Pag-isipan yung mga bawat action. What is the Four of Swords? The Page of Swords. Represent with the 10 of Swords. So, this is something sabotage. No? Kailangan kilalanin mo, alamin mo. No? Meron kang hinala dito na merong sumabatahin sa'yo. That's yes, no? There's a Page of Cups like sa Death card. Reference with the Fool card, no? Parang, kumbaga, nagtiwala kayo sa tao na to, pero yun pala yung trumaydor sa inyo. There's a something na lalabas ang katotohanan dito. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's the Lovers, no? Ibig sabihin dito, maaaring meron dito mag-asawa na inggit, no? Sa inyong pagsasama. And there's a Four of Cups, no? Parang ano to eh, nilason or ginawa ng ano para magkaroon ka ng sakit, no? Yung person mo magkaroon ng sakit. There's a Four of Cups. No? Inunti-unti lang to. Na maaring, there's a Justice card. No? See, makukuha mo yung justisya dito eh. Na pag nalaman mo, no? Itong tao na to pinagkatiwalaan nyo, ginawang kayo ng hindi maganda. Oh my God. Kaya namatay yung asawa mo dito or yung person mo. No? So let's see what is additional messages. Or cross the watcher out there, no? So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit for finances and career. So, this is there's a 9 of Pentacles for financial windfall. Na meron dito paglago at paglakas ng finances. And there's something, the Page of Pentacles with an investment, no? Kung baga mag-invest ka ng maayos at wasto, there's something in form of something celebration. Na unti-unti ka na makakaranas sa mga celebration at unti-unti na lalago ang iyong finances. For health, for love life muna. For love life, there's a 6 of Wands for victory is yours. Magiging matagumpay ka pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. There's a King of Wands, no? Or meron dito guys, maaagapan pa. Na-sense ko, bigla ko may umano sa isip ko na may maaagapan pa dito. Sa relasyon. There's a 3 of Wands, see? So there's a something waiting for some relationship. Naghihintay ka na lang ng resulta. No, kailangan mo ng second opinion dito guys. No, parang nagpatingin ka dito with the doctor, then because walang nakita or may nakita siya pero there's something na may gumagawa talaga sa kanya. Okay, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. About naman tayo sa health. See, 6 of Cups. Ang gumagawa dito kamag-anak kapatid. And there's an Ace of Wands. There's something, new plan, new project. No, ibig sabihin magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong iisipin, no? Meron ditong magiging maganda rin kasusugan parang mababalik yung ano mo dito, kalusugan mo, maayos na kalusugan. Ibabalik siya. What is additional messages with a yin and yang oracle card? Represent what? For yin and yang oracle card, represent with that, faith. This is something divine intervention. Paalala sa'yo ng ating divine. You need to pay attention. And there's a system with the spirit guides. No, ginagabay ka talaga ng ating angel spirit and there's a separation. Para paghiwalay kayo ng eksena, no? What is the magical fairy messages represent what? Represent with the dietary change. Na kailangan mo mag-diet dito, guys. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And of course, there is something for a magical fairy messages. Wait. For children. Now, some of you guys na apektuhan din yung mga anak mo dito. Or either pati yung mga anak mo ginagawan din. For synchronicities to represent what? For synchronicities, there is something resilience. So, ibig sabihin, magtiyaga ka. Sa kung anong ginagawa mo, Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. There's a dreamer, no? Kumbaga marami pumapasok sa panaginip mo. Kailangan na, kumbaga, tuparin mo ito or kailangan gawin mo to. And there's something in tune. See, there's something about sa love life talaga. Inggit sa inyong pagsasama. And or sa inyong pamilya. And there's a joy. So, ibig sabihin dito, magiging maligaya din kayo soon. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels for Mystic Love Oracle deck. Represent what? Represent with a party pan. See? Meron kailangan mo mag-enjoy. And there's an enemy. Watch your back. See? I told you. There's a love and there's an enemy is here. Now, watch your back. Nasa paligid mo lang talaga. And there are insecurities. No? Iinggit to. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. With an angel spirit, guys, please give me information. Represent with discipline. So, kailangan nyo ng disiplina, guys, ha? And there's something, freedom. Makakalaya ka for negativities, guys, no? Kumbaga, palayain mo yung sarili mo for negative thoughts. So, let's see what is, Archangel Michael messages. And there's something, admit the truth to yourself and act accordingly. See? Kumbaga, tanggapin mo sa sarili mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. No? Iwasan mo magpanggap. And of course, this is something, sense of humor. No? Lagi mo titignan dito yung positivity. No? Iwasan mo mag-isip ng nega. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And of course, this is something, you and your loved ones are safe, no? Yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, safe naman daw. And this is something, this situation is already solved. Na itong sitwasyon na ito, maaaring na solusyonan na, natapos na. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga, nagpo-proceed na kayo for healing session. What is the angel's answer? Recovery. See, I told you, nakaka-recover na kayo, guys. And there's something within the next few months, no? Sa mga susunod na buwan, unti-unti na kayo makaka-recover. And ask your angels, no? Humingi ka ng gabay sa ating angel spirit, guys. What is the chakra messages? And there's a mysticism. Now, may mystery dito sa likod dito na unti-unti mo na mauunawaan lahat ng mga bagay o sikreto sa paligid mo. And there's something victim. Biktima lang kayo with the negativities. And black magic involved. There's a something instinct. Tama ka ng hinala. No? Let's see what is the Romance Angels represent what? Free yourself. Take your, it's time to take back control in your life, no? Kumbaga, kailangan magtitiwala ka sa sarili mo. And there's a deceptions, no? Kumbaga sa relasyon nyo, meron talaga ditong parang obsessed. Na-obsessed to sa partner mo, nagkagusto siguro to sa partner mo. Kung hindi to yung asawa ng kapatid mo, or meron ditong parang nainggit sa inyo, sa inyong pagsasama. And there's a kitchen, guys. Now, there's something, creations, no? Magiging creativity ka dito, and there's something, a transformation. Malaki pagbabago sa buhay nyo ngayon. Iwasan nyo tumanggap ng mga pagkain na may nakita ko with a kitchen. No, iwasan nyo tumanggap ng mga bigay na pagkain. Kahit kanina paggaling nga, huwag nyo kainin. There's something fire, opal with confident. Lakas mo ang loob mo. Lakas mo pakiramdam mo. Let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Raphael messages, this is something detoxification. Kailangan mo mag-detoxify ng mga toxin nyo sa katawan. Ibig sabihin dito, dinaan talaga kayo sa pagkain para magkasakit kayo. No? It's time na kailangan nyo ng mga herbs na makakatulong for detoxification. And because this is something, a messenger. No? There's something, a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance. And there's a child. No? There's a soul gift. And training, it's up to step up. No? Ito na yung panahon ng pagkakataon para gisingin mo na yung sarili mo or parang mamulat ka na about sa spirituality. Na may plano ang ating Panginoon kaya nangyayari ito sa iyo na magbalik loob ka sa Kanya. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? There's a creative expression. Something idea. Maraming papasok sa isip mo. And there's a children. Double clarification with the children. Meron talagang ginawa sa inyo, no? Especially pati mga anak mo ginawan. What is the Monsology represent what? A win-win outcome forecast. So, see, papanalo mo talaga itong eksena na to. Kailangan mo lang mag-adjust. Adjustment are required. So, kailangan mo dumistansya, no? Miwas. What is the energy represent what? And there is a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Talagang sinasabi dito, no? Yung utak mo, yung dibdib mo, or yung sikmura mo, talaga yun yung naapektuhan sa'yo. And there's the thinking man, no? If you were a man, no, nag-overthink ka. If you were a woman, yung person mo nag-overthink. Or maraming iniisip. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Blessed are the peacemaker, for they shall be called the children of God. So, si binabilas daw yung mga taong mas pinili yung kapayapaan, no? Mas pinili yung katahimik kaysa patulan tong eksena na to. So, kailangan mo labanan, kontrahin, no? At kailangan mo na lang, kumbaga, dumistansya, nagpakalayo-layo. Hindi mo kailangan pang patulan to. What is an angel's number represented with a 777 for perseverance? Konting tiyaga na lang, no? At sinasabi dito, there's something, change perspective. There's a need for a change of perspective of whatever has taken you over you now. If you want to succeed, you need to keep going down the road, your own reach for the wisdom within, and then you just know that what is the right next step is. So, tuturo sa yung tamang landasin mo. Kailangan mo lang magpatuloy na walang kinakatakutan, walang kinikilingan. Galaan. Kumbaga, wala naman pangamba, walang takot. Basta tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. There's an inner strength. Kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo. And there's a something consciousness. Maging maingat, mabusisi, no? And of course, there's a today. I pay attention to every thoughts and feeling that I manifest. My outer words reflects my inner consciousness. I feel the light of my awareness on my most constructive thoughts so they will grow and produce the experiences I want. Mindful of what I create in this universe, I become an expression of the divine light. So see, kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga, kailangan mo magbukas ng panibagong eksena, no? Kumbaga, mag-create ng mga positivities, no? Hindi mo kailangan na, kumbaga, maghatak ng negative na yan, kung ano man yung ginawa niyan. Kumbaga, hamanap ka ng solusyon, hindi ng problema. Ganon. Mag-ingat ka lang, kumbaga, proteksyonan mo yung sarili mo, pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, hindi mo kailangan pumatol sa mga tao na minsan nang gumawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Bagkos, proteksyon at pangalagaan mo at dumistansya ka sa mga taong minsan na nakasira ng iyong buhay at pamilya. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of March 2025 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi. Maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading sa reading lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and yung notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapang nabiyayang manubalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!